Charities. In Victorian times, the poor received money, time and advice from charitable Victorian people.
Could you please?
Yes! Wow!
Charities were developed to help them deal with poverty.
Bravo!
Most of these charities believed in self-help and did not think the government should get involved. Many also believed that the poor should be educated to live better lives and improve themselves, and that they would provide this education. Others linked to religion and charitable individuals often saw themselves as doing God's work in helping the poor. The wealthy people started giving and helping people on a special day that was known as the Christian Duty Day. Victorian-era charities were something that was considered as an act that will help people save their souls. A number of charities were not organised on across the whole of Britain. This limited their effectiveness for two reasons. A person might receive similar help from two charities at once, limiting resources. There were areas of the country and parts of cities which received no help.
Help me!
Two important figures emerged at the turn of the century. William Booth and Seabohm Rowntree were interested in the levels of poverty in Britain. They both sponsored major investigations into the extent and causes of poverty.